Hello and welcome to another AQA GCSE revision video. In this video we're looking at the 8300 series June 2017 past papers. This is the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we're picking up in question 25, which reads: rectangle ABCD is the horizontal base of a triangular prism ABCDEF. AE is equal to BE. E is vertically above M, the midpoint of AB. AB equals 16 centimetres, AE equals 17 centimetres, and BC equals 30 centimetres. And 25A says show that EM is equal to 15 centimetres. Okay, so we're given that AB is equal to 16 centimetres, and we are told that M is the midpoint of AB, so AM plus MB equals 16 centimetres and AM is equal to MB. So AM and MB are both half of 16 centimetres. So AM is 8 centimetres and MB is 8 centimetres. Now, we're looking for the height of this triangle EM. So what we're given is that AE is 17 centimetres, and we're told AE is equal to BE, so this is also 17 centimetres. So we have a right angled triangle here. EMB is a right angled triangle, the base of which is 8 and the hypotenuse is 17. So the Pythagoras theorem should give us EM. So EM squared is equal to 17 squared minus 8 squared. So if we just grab our calculator. Okay, so I've got my calculator. So if I just do 17 squared minus 8 squared, and that's equal to 225, and then I'll find the square root, so I do inverse square to get the square root, and that's 15. So if I just do EM is equal to the square root of 17 squared minus 8 squared, so EM is equal to square root of 225, so EM is equal to 15 centimetres. Job done. Okay, so 25B says work out the size of angle ECM. Okay, so what's ECM? So this is E. Actually, I'll use a different colour so it's clear. So this is EC and to M, from C to M. Oh gosh, so that's this angle here, this angle C. So we either want length MC or we want length EC. Okay, so we know that ABCD is a rectangle, therefore this angle here is a right angle. So we've got this length here we know is 8 and BC we know is 30 from here. So this is the hypotenuse, and we know this is a right angle as we've said because it's a rectangle, the base is a rectangle. So MC squared is equal to 30 squared plus 8 squared. That's Pythagoras theorem again. Okay, so I'm going to grab my calculator. Okay then, so I've got my calculator. So I'm just going to type in 30 squared plus 8 squared. That's 964. So if I take the square root of 964, it's 31.048, 31.05. So MC is equal to the square root of 964. So what did I say that was? 31.05, was it? Okay, so we've got MC is 31.05, and we know that ME is 15 because we calculated that, and it's also given in the question from part A. So we've got, we know that MC is going along the base of the prism, and EM we're told is E is vertically above M. So this is the horizontal base, EM is vertical, so therefore this angle here is a right angle. So that is to say the angle EMC is a right angle. So all we have to do now is we've got our adjacent. We don't know the hypotenuse, but we do know the adjacent, and we know the opposite, and opposite over adjacent is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So theta is equal to the arctan, tan to the -1 of 15 divided by 31.05. That should be a 1. Slipped. Okay, so it's time to get the calculator. Okay, so I have my calculator. The actual full value of MC is already in my calculator, and I'd really rather not lose it. So I'm going to add that to my calculator's memory, and I'm going to cancel. And now I need to do 15 divided by the adjacent, which is, I'll put in memory, and that's equal to 0.483. And now I need to make sure my calculator is set to degrees, and then I need to find the arctan. So if I click inverse and tan, that gives me 25.785, or 25.79 degrees. So theta equals 25.79 degrees. You could round that up to 26 if you like. So the answer is 25.79 degrees. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you